Okay, so sorry for the terrible lighting. So this is an NP271 D, and so we need to change the input shaft for it from going to a 48RE. We're going to an MV5600 29 spline, and so this is the first part. You got the tail housing off, and now you need to remove this snap ring right here. Okay, so what kind of ended up doing the trick was this little pick. We had to kind of get it under there and walk it off while using the snap ring pliers. It took longer than usual. This spring has never been removed before, so had quite some resistance in it. Okay, so we got this separated. What we used was a flathead screwdriver, a dead blow, and we did it to all three impact points. Got some fluid coming out. Let me get a bucket. So the main shaft wants to come out with it. Always awesome. Just kidding. Well, so we're going to take this snap ring off. Gotta love snap rings, right? That is the main shaft. So we got our shift fork here. Put that on out. So this is basically our synchro for the shift fork that interlocks the two gears on the main shaft. And so the way to install this when you go back correctly, how it kind of looks like they have kind of squared off ends on this side. You want to install it facing outwards. This side is flat, doesn't have that. From looking at it, the plastic's in great shape. On the other hand, this synchro looks like someone fairly often tried to put it in the gear while still driving, which is not the smartest thing to do. Has a lot of burrs on it. I will probably end up taking a very fine file and removing all those burrs. Alrighty. I'm seeing a lot of discoloration on the input shaft that goes into the plant. Fighting me here a little bit. plastic. It's a little burnt looking. Definitely, I might replace that. Looking at the gear here. Look at that discoloration. Pull the snap ring right here that holds the planet in. Very large. Okay, so in order to pull your planet out, you have another snap ring seal behind this oil seal. More than likely, we'll end up destroying it and having to. So you get a raised lip, run a screwdriver through it, pry it up. That snap ring is right down in there. Very hard to get to. Pop that off. That's our snap ring. Our planet can come out. So the change to the input shaft, you have to remove a snap ring right here. Be a little bit of an irritating one. Wish I had my pick. And there is the input. It's right back in. It's kind of like a friction surface that goes on the bottom. Got one right here, kind of with another friction surface, and a steel goes on top. Won't need that anymore. So one thing you want to do when you get these planetaries out is these can wear over time. So you want to check for side-to-side play. They will go up and down. That's perfectly normal. But if you have any side-to-side play, any discoloration, you want to check those. So good news is we don't have any side-to-side play. You can reuse that. So I'm going to end up cleaning this whole case and getting it probably painted, maybe powder coated. Not too sure yet.